Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful sisters. It's your girl Rita Yako, and I'm back with another interesting video. Now this video is for you if you have acne scars on your face, if you have sunburn, and I say sunburn when these areas of your face is looking dark, or if you have under eye circle, this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to be talking about this new facial cream that I just discovered some few weeks ago, and I'm actually loving it. So I'm here to share the good news with you all. So please, if you're interested, make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to be talking a lot about this cream, this facial cream, and also I'm going to be telling you some of the tips that I always use on myself and my face. So please keep on watching and I'll be back, okay? Welcome back, my beautiful sisters. So I'll be talking about the facial cream right here. This is a facial cream. I don't know if you can see this well, but I'll try to leave the picture on the screen so you can take a good look at the facial cream. Let me open it and show you. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, I have already been using this facial cream. So it's not usually like this when you buy it. It's usually full. So when you buy it, you notice something like a liquid oil on it. So what you need to do, you need to mix it. When I say mix it, you need to send your finger inside, or you look for a small spoon, then put it inside, then stir it to mix it very well. So now I'll be talking about this facial cream. I just discovered this facial cream and I'm actually loving it a lot, because first let me talk about the benefits of this facial cream. Oh sorry, I nearly dropped it. Now the name of this facial cream is something that is very new, and this product is made here in Cameroon. It's very natural. It's not something that is too chemical. No, it's very natural. So this is written there, trois fleurs. Trois fleurs means 3 flowers, and on the facial cream there's a logo there. Is you see the flowers that the flowers that are being placed on the facial cream. You cannot see it, but I promise to put the picture of this facial cream on the screen so you look at it very well. So that is actually the name of the facial cream. Trois fleurs in French. In English it means 3 flowers. I don't know why they'll give such a name to a facial cream, but it's okay. That's none of my business, so long as it does the work for me. It's a very good product, and it smells very good. It smells nice. Let me tell you some of the benefits that you are going to gain or achieve when you're using these products. This video is not sponsored. Whatever I say here, I'm saying this out of whatever I'm saying here right now, I'm saying it out of my own experience. I've used the facial cream. You can see for yourself. I have used it. You can see for yourself. I don't know, I have actually used it. So this is how it looks like. Yes, I think you can see this. This is how it looks like. Can you see the 3 fleurs that is written there? 3 flowers. You can see something like, can you see the flowers on the screen? Yeah, let me bring it more closer. Yeah. Let me tell you some of the benefits, and it's actually very big, very huge, and it's very affordable. It's not something that is expensive like some other facial cream that you will see in the market, and they will tell you that this facial cream here is $25. Yeah, and I love it so much. $25. Like there's some facial cream that you will get maybe for $50, even more than that, and they'll be very small. This one is very, very good. Let me tell you now, enough of the talking. Let me tell you the benefits of this facial cream. If you have acne spots on your face, this facial cream is good. If you have sunburn, this facial cream is going to clear those sunburns within days. See, this video is not sponsored, so don't think that I'm saying this because a brand has sponsored me or sponsored this video. No, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. If you have sunburn, those severe sunburn, it's going to clear them, like clear them within days. If you have dark spot on your face, it's going to clear them. If you are that type of person that have a very stubborn face, that no matter what facial cream you use on your face, you don't see any good result, my sister, this facial cream is very, very good. When I was about to buy, like when I wanted to, because the facial cream that I went there to get, she said it's out of stock, and she's someone that I trust very much when it comes to stuff like this. So she recommended this product to me, this facial cream I'm talking about now. She said I should go and try it, that I'll love it. And I was just saying to her, and if this thing does not work for me, or if it destroy my skin in any way, I will not be happy. Though I will not blame her because she is not the one that produced it. So I said I'll not be happy, but she insisted that I should take it and go and try. That if I want to try it for free, no problem, let me take. So I finally bought it, and she was telling me that I was not seeing results from 5 days. I thought she was joking. This facial cream is going to give you a very fresh face, fresh and glowing face. Let me bring my camera in front of me. This soap is going to give you a very smooth and, sorry, let me adjust this. Okay, I think it's okay now. This soap is going to, sorry, I'm talking about soap. Oh my god. This product right here is going to give you a very smooth face, clean face. Yes, it's very, very good. And one thing I love about it is that you can apply it in the morning and in the evening. It's not just a facial cream that will tell you to apply it only once, only in the evening. You're not allowed to apply it in the morning then go out. This one you can apply it you can apply on your face in the morning and in the evening. If this product is not good, I will not even take my precious time and come and sit here to do a video about it. No, you all know I cherish you so much, and whatever thing I try on my skin, and if I discover that the product is good, I will come here, talk about it on this channel. That's my job here, to help you all, my sisters, to help you all go, like, just look for products, look for good products, come and do review, talk about them. So that's my job. And also I'll be telling you some of the tips on how to prevent acne on the face. If you're that type of person that you like to eat like granite, my sister, even though some people have acne that they like naturally they have acne, but there are some acne that are being provoked by some creams or facial cream that you use a type of cream that you apply on your face. The next minute you start seeing acne on your face or sunburn. You start noticing them on your face. And another thing that can cause it on your face is granite. And if you sleep with makeup on your face, it's going to trigger acne. They'll start calm. I remember one time I went out and I got back home. I was so tired. I got back home very, very late, and I was so tired. I was so exhausted. Even I like to remove those makeups. I will not lie. I was so lazy to take the makeup off. The next day in the morning I got up, my face was kind of itchy. and I was feeling this heat on my face as if there is something that is. You won't believe what just happened to me now. Can you imagine? I was talking the whole time thinking that I'm filming a video or recording while nothing was happening. My phone suddenly stopped, like it says out of space. It's a messy trouble. Oh. I nearly give up. I nearly say I'm done with this video. What is happening? Anyways, let me continue. Like I said, don't make that mistake like I did. With if you are one of those people that likes to sleep with makeup, or you better stop it. If you don't want to cause more harm on your face or destroy your face, please, my sister, avoid it. Avoid it. Okay. So I also did a video yesterday. The video is already up on this channel. In case you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video and learn more about the video. It's actually a very so if you know you have not yet watched that video, go and watch the video after this. I will leave the video at the end screen of this one. If at all you watch this one to the end, the video I did a review about glutation and vitamin C body lotion, the intense whitening body lotion. So you can check out the video, because I said some things in the video. Like when you watch the video to the end, you are going to hear me talking about how to have a glowing skin, all those stuff. So go and watch the video, because there's a lot of information, very vital information in that video. So another thing you can do to avoid acne on your face or breakout is by drinking enough water. Drink enough water, eat enough fruits like oranges. We are now in the season or the period of oranges. Like right now, there are oranges in the market and they're so cheap. Right now, oranges are so cheap. Like in the country where I am, oranges are so cheap and fresh and very juicy as well. So you can take a look. Like, just go and watch that video. Okay. So, like I said, if you want this product, this facial cream, you can send me a DM. You can check my Instagram handle in my description box, or I'll pin it at the comment section. Like I said, the facial cream is very affordable. It's $25. It's not like something that is too expensive. You can know that facial cream that are way more expensive than this, that does not even work the way you expect it to work. So this one is very, you can see I've been using it. I'm still using the facial cream. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Let me try to close it. This is how it looks like. I'm sorry, I'm putting on my hand gloves because I don't want to touch the cream right now. That's why I'm wearing hand gloves. So in case you need a facial cream, just send me a DM. I can buy and send to you. You can send money and buy, and I'll buy and send to you, no matter which country you are or where you are living. But I will not do it for free. You know, anything that people do for free is, you know, like it does not end. It does not usually end the right way, because here in my country, transportation, like in the city that I live in Douala, transportation fare is not biscuit. It's not something that is easy. So I will not use my own personal money to be transporting myself up and down to go and get your product. So you need to give me some change for my time and everything. If you are okay with that, it's not expensive, but it's very affordable. So if you want my service, you can always hit me on Instagram, or you send me an email. I will leave everything in the description box. So check the description box. Everything, my information are there. Yeah. So, and I will see you. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to this channel. You can also share it to your loved ones out there, because you never might know, the video might be of help to them. Don't just watch alone. There you go. Watch and share. And remember, go and watch the other video. You want to get the full details or information on how to maintain your glowing skin, or how to achieve a glowing skin. Having a glowing skin does not only mean that you have to apply all sorts of creams on your skin what you take inside. Remember, I have said this in one of my videos, on this channel, that what you take inside matters a lot. So go and watch the video. I believe in that video all the information you need are going to be there. Sorry, I need to go now because this phone is just pissing me off right now. So take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.